Hello students, welcome to your maths class. I am Jyoti Sachdeva from SCJ DAV School Haripura. Today we are discussing our brain teaser of chapter 4 fractional number. First tick the corrects. 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2 is. What is the value of 1 by 3 minus 1 by 9? 4 values are given. For this, firstly, we make their denominators equal. Find the LCM of 3 and 9. 9 comes on the table of 3. It means their LCM become 9, and we make the denominator equal. And 1 by 3 multiply with the 3. It become 3 by 9 and other number is 1 by 9. Now it become 3 by 9 minus 1 by 9. Now subtract. Only numerators are subtracted. 3 minus 1, that is 2, and denominator same as 9. It means answer is 2 by 9. Second question is the fraction is greater than 1. If fraction greater than 1 कब होगी? न्यूमिनेटर जब डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल होगा देन फ्रैक्शन क्या आएगी हमारे पास 1. जब न्यूमिनेटर स्मॉलर होता है डिनोमिनेटर पे तभी तो हम उसको फ्रैक्शन कहते हैं. जब न्यूमिनेटर ग्रेटर डिनोमिनेटर होगा मीन्स जब इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन होगी. मीन्स 5/2 एग्जाम्पल है कि 5/2 एक इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन है. देन वी कैन कन्वर्ट इट इनटू द मिक्स फ्रैक्शन. मीन्स हम जो नंबर मिक्स फ्रैक्शन में कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं देन इट इज इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन. और इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन में ही हमारा न्यूमिनेटर क्या होता है? ग्रेटर देन डिनोमिनेटर. तो इट मीन्स व्हेन न्यूमिनेटर इज ग्रेटर देन डिनोमिनेटर देन इट इज फ्रैक्शन इज ग्रेटर देन 1. द सी पार्ट 2/3 ऑफ एन आवर. 1 आवर में कितना होते हैं मिनट्स में पूछा हुआ ना. तो 60 33 20 जा 3 के टेबल पर 6 2 पर आया 0 एज इट इज 2 2 जा 40. इट मीन्स आंसर क्या आएगा 40 मिनट्स. फर्स्ट वन ऑप्शन. व्हाट नंबर शुड बी एडिड टू 8/9 टू गेट 9/8. 8/9 में हम क्या ऐड करें कि हमें मिले 9/8. देखो एडिशन हमें गिवन है 9/8. उसमें से हम जो नंबर है वो माइनस कर देंगे तब क्या हो जाएगा हमें नंबर मिल जाएगा. तो फर्स्टली वी विल मेक द डिनोमिनेटर सेम. डिनोमिनेटर सेम करेंगे तो 8 और 9 का एलसीएम लेंगे. ना 8 9 के टेबल पर आ रहा है ना 9 8 के. ना 8 सारा 2 के टेबल पर आएगा 9 3 के टेबल पर. मीन्स हम जब इस तरह इनका एलसीएम लेंगे 2 4 जा 9 एज इट 2 2 जा 9 2 1 फिर 9 फिर 3 पर चलाएंगे. इट मीन्स ये सारे नंबर्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई होंगे तो इनका एलसीएम क्या आ जाएगा 72. देन मेक देयर डिनोमिनेटर्स इक्वल. इट मीन्स इट इज मल्टीप्लाइड विद द 9/9 and 8/9 is multiplied with the 8/8. 9 9s are 81 and 8 9s are 72. Now subtract this. 11 minus 4 7 and 7 minus 6 1. 17/72. Third option is the answer. E part is what fraction is the shaded part. फ्रैक्शन की शेडेड पार्ट जो है उसकी फ्रैक्शन क्या बनेगी. देखो हमने सिर्फ इतना पढ़ा हुआ है कि टोटल पार्ट्स कितने हैं 4 हैं तो शेडेड कितने हैं 3/4. ठीक है. अब हमारे पास ये तो होल पार्ट ही शेडेड है पूरा 1. ये भी 1 1 और 1 2 is to 3/4. और इसकी ये वाली ऑप्शन कौन सी है 4th वन. Clear? Now see the next question. Next question is find the sum. In this you have to find the sum. Statement is 7 plus 1 is to 1/2 plus 9/5. Firstly convert it into the fraction. 2 1s are 2 2 plus 1 3/2. 7 has denominator 1 and 9/5. 5. After that, take the LCM of the denominators. 2 ones are 2 and 5 is also a prime number. Now LCM is 2 into 5, that is 10. Now make their denominator 10. It means denominator 1, then it is multiplied with the 10. 3 by 2. By which number multiplied by 2 then denominator become 10? It is 5. Then 15 by 10. And 9 by 5. 5 multiplied by with which number? Then denominator become 10. It is 2. And 9 2s are 18. Now add this 70 by 10 plus 15 by 10 plus 18 by 10. Now add only the numerators and write the denominator as the same. Now add this 70, 15 and 18. 8 and 5 13, 1 carry, 7 or 1 carry 8, 9 and 1 10. It means their addition is 103 upon 10. And you can also convert it into the mixed fraction. Divide it with the 10. 10 ones are 10. Now 3 is the next number. 3 zeros are 0. Again remainder is 3. It means 10 is to 3 by 10 is the mixed fraction form. Now see the next part. B part. 2 is to 1 by 2. 1 is to 1 by 4. Plus 2 is to 4 by 5. Firstly convert all these into the fractional form. 2 2s are 4 and 1, 5 by 2. 4 1s are 4 plus 1, 5 by 4. 5 2s are 10, 10 plus 4, 14 by 5. Now take the LCM of 2, 4 and 5. 2 1s are 2 2s are and 5. Again on the table of 2. Now on the table of 5. Now 2 into 2 into 5. When we multiply, 5 2s are 10, 10 2s are 20. 20 is the LCM. Now make the denominator as 20. It's become 50 upon 20. 5 by 4. 4 multiply with the 5. Then their denominator become 20. 5 5s are 25. And 5 multiply with 4. Then it's become 20. Now add this 50 by 20 plus 25 by 20 plus 56 by 20. Add the numerators. Now add this 50, 25 and 56. 6 5s are 11, 1 carry, 5 and 5 10, 10 or 2 12 or 1 carry 13. It means 131 upon 20. And when we convert it into the mixed fraction, 26 are 120 and remainder become 11. 6 is to 11 by 20 is the mixed fractional form of this number. Now next question is the subtraction. Let's see. 4 is to 1 by 2 subtract करना है from 6. Firstly we will write it into the proper form. 6 by 1 minus 4 2s are 8 and 1 9 by 2. Now make their denominator same. Here is denominator 2, so we directly multiply it with the 2. It becomes 6 2s are 12 by 2 and it become 9 by 2. Now subtract the numerators. It become 3 by 2. And when we convert it into the mixed fraction, it become 1 is to 1 by 2. Division से आपको ये आता है करना. Now the B part. Subtract 2 is to 1 by 2 from 7 is to 3 by 5. मिक्स फ्रैक्शन से फ्रैक्शन में भी कन्वर्ट कर लेते हैं. 7 5s are 35. plus 3, 38 by 5 minus 2 2s are 4 and 1, 5 by 2. Take the LCM of 5 and 2, it become 10. Because 5 के टेबल पर चलाएंगे या 2 के टेबल पर चलाएंगे 10. It means it multiply with the table of 2, then denominator become 10. It's 76 upon 10. 5 upon 2 multiply with the 5. It's 25 upon 10. Now subtract 76 upon 10 minus 25 upon 10. Subtract the numerators. It become 51 upon 10. And when we convert it into the mixed fraction, it becomes 5:1 by 10. Now your 3 questions of brain teasers are completed, and the next questions we will do in the next video. Thank you.